Hello and welcome to Cameta Camera Snapshots. Today we're taking a look at the recently released Canon VIXIA HF G40 camcorder. Now this is what we call a prosumer camcorder, where it takes pro quality video and offers manual control, but it doesn't have all the pro level add-ons like XLR microphone inputs or connections for video switchers. Now the G40 starts with a 20x zoom HD video lens that has a huge focal range and excellent optical construction, plus Canon's super range optical image stabilization. A new HD CMOS sensor features increased sensitivity over the previous model, and it provides better performance in low light with less noise. It records up to 1080 60p in AVC HD format or internet-ready MP4 format, and it stores everything on dual SD card slots, so you have instant backups of everything you record. And built-in dual-band Wi-Fi lets you share your videos or control camcorder functions right from your smartphone or tablet. As for some other features, we have a 3.5-inch OLED touchscreen with 1.23 million dots of resolution and a 10,000:1 contrast ratio for clear images with very accurate color. Plus, touch control gives you an intuitive way to record, view, and navigate menus. And if you prefer to use a viewfinder, the G40 also has one of those. And of course, it can be tilted up or down for comfort. Now again, you have two SD card slots, and here is your high capacity battery, a BP820 in this case. And you have a very compact overall design that fits nicely in your hands, and at 2 pounds, it's light enough to maneuver quickly, but substantial enough that it doesn't feel cheap or toyish. Now you have a nice rocker type zoom control, and that's ideal for slow, steady zoom shots. And then up front, you get a manual control ring, and that can be used to control focus or zoom. Plus there's various assignable buttons throughout the camera, here, here, over here, and these can be used for whatever operations you like. And of course, you have a microphone input, HDMI output, remote port, and more over here on the side. And then on top you have an accessory shoe for various Canon accessories. So it's basically all you need without going full pro, so to speak. Some of the G40's other nice features are more internal, so we can't really show them off here. But they include a wide DR gamma mode for suppressing overexposure and achieving a greater dynamic range. It also has an interesting highlight priority mode, which is similar to an HDR effect. Plus it has an array of videographer-friendly features like zebra patterns, focus peaking, and of course, bars and tone. Now finally, the Canon VIXIA HF G40 comes with the battery, an AC adapter, a USB cable, HDMI cable, regular AV cable, a remote, and a lens hood. And of course, all this is available right now at Cameta Camera.